Good morning and welcome in
Costa Rica. We have arrived yesterday night, quite late, so we slept over. Today is the first day to discover, to perform shows.
And we are going for 3 shows today.
Yes, we take you with you. We take you with us
you.
this way around 3 different schools, and after we can experience the nature.
Typical breakfast in Costa Rica.
See, rice and beans, and egg and cheese, and banana.
Lunch is normally rice and beans as well.
See, yeah, man.
After finishing the school show, they invited us for the interview.
Here are the questions.
Here are the questions. After show number 2, we are invited to eat watermelon.
Yes, and one more shoe to go.
Serious.
Muchas gracias. Typical lunch in Costa Rica.
Rice with beans.
Third show of the day.
And a small rain came, so but we will be good. We are in a cloud forest here, that's why. Third show, vamos.
Okay, Patrick, what we are having here?
As you know, we like coffee, so this is a coffee blend. We take you now through the process, how to make a perfect coffee. So here you see this, for example. You see these red thingies? We can take them. Okay. So here, this is inside is the coffee, okay? This is not a coffee bean, it's the coffee fruit. And now we show you how to get the coffee bean out of it.
I think they don't do this process we are going to do, but I will do it. So that's the coffee
Bean.
fruit, I think. And afterward, when they roast it, then this becomes coffee.
This is basically the coffee bean, you know, when it's roasted. And through the process, it produces the caffeine. Hello.
Okay, they don't want to show you. Oh, you see it, it's blue. It's blue.
It's stuck.
Oh, take it with the other hand.
How
like
do
he
I...
did it. Today we are watching the birds. We saw red ones, yellow ones, green ones, blue ones. Blue and white was my favorite. I think we didn't capture it, but I loved it.
They are really like small ones.
They're very tasty.
Sweet. Really sweet, like an apple.
afternoon, time to slide.
Zip line. We go now down there. Number 2. Here,
460 meters
long.
and 80 meters high. Adventure time. We are going to ride the bicycle on the line.
On a zip line. First time. Difícil. I don't want to know what I said in this language. Like, we will see. To try to find this interview and then we show you what we say.
Okay, problems with freestyle shoes. One freestyler have this problem with breaking thing, so they need to fix it like this. My problem is always this, holes in the front of the shoes. And Patrick's problem? What is your problem?
I don't have problems. I have problems.
You know what I love in freestyle community? Today one guy needed to travel 4.5 hours with the bus just to meet us. This is so special. And in many countries happen this.
See.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's amazing.
It's time for the last show in Costa Rica.
Our last day, and also we try to set a new Guinness World Record. So we plan to do the around the world passes. We need to do more than 44.
But without limit.
Without limit, but this means we are not allowed to drop the ball. So
Exactly.
we need to focus at all the time. We have around 700 kids, students here.
And it's going to be something special. So, exciting. Last day in Costa Rica and then we travel to Guatemala.
Vamos.
So,
Here we go.
we just finished our show and the Guinness World Record and we did 2 minutes 43 seconds if I am not
2 minutes 20, I think 24, like this way around. So
sure about this. We need
so
to
yeah,
check
we
the
did it,
details.
and we show you now all the footage, of course. So was nice. A little bit like 700 kids were here, so a lot like shouting, screaming, supporting. Thank you for having
Thank you,
us.
Costa Rica,
Yes.
for having us and great time here.
And yeah, as always, amazing to reach a new level, to set a new Guinness World Record with the around the world. Yeah, was not so easy because a little bit we got distracted and
Too much noise and everything, but it was just very good. We did it, we had nice time, and we hope we inspire kids, and we hope to see the new generation playing gorgeous.
Eso que estuvieron con en París, fue un entrenamiento de ellos, ustedes fueron ahí.
Thank you, Costa Rica. It was a great time, 1 week, and now we are traveling to
Guatemala to eat some guacamole.